y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are unboxing and trying on another trunk club. So trunk club has quickly become a favorite of mine. I've said that so many times. I've also said that it's a little pricey, but you can ask your stylist for more affordable things. So trunk club is 25 bucks per box. You get the box, you try it on, what you want to keep, you pay for, what you don't, you send back in this actual big trunk. I have it sitting next to me and you can't see it, but it's like an actual, let me see if I can pick it up. Okay, it's actually a trunk. Like, look at this. And it comes to your front door, and then when you send it back, basically you put everything back in this box, and they send you like some new straps to like strap it down so that you just send the box back. All right, so I want to address something first. So a couple months ago in Trunk Club, I got a pair of Good American jeans. I've talked about those Good American jeans since I got them in that box. Several of y'all have mentioned, like, God, you should have kept those jeans. Well, I didn't keep them. They were not several $100s. They were what? $160 maybe? $175? Something like that. And I just couldn't justify it. So I sent them back, and ever since then, I've been thinking about those jeans. So this month, I asked Carson, my stylist, to please send me some Good American jeans. And she came through. She sent 2 pair, actually. So let's start with the jeans because, like, I'm not one, y'all know this by now if you watch my videos, I'm not one to make you wait for things. So let's just get into it. All right, the first pair of Good American jeans are, they say good waist, high-rise skinny. They're in a size 20, and they're this dark denim. Skinny ankles, perfect skinny ankles. There is distressing on one knee. The other leg is straight up and down, no distressing at all. These are so soft. Like, if I can say something about these, it's that they fit so well. They're elastic enough, but they're not too much to where they're going to fall down. They're super high-waisted, which I really like. And these, when I pulled them out of the box, or out of this packaging, they were buttoned, and I saw the waist, and I was like, well, there's no way those are going to fit me. And they do fit because they come so high up. So it really fits the smallest part of your waist. Okay, so these are in a size 20. Yeah, they're in a size 20. This pair and the other pair that I'm about to show you, I had to work a little bit to get the zipper up. So I pulled them up, get them over everything, button them, and then the zipper took a little bit of work to get it to zip. And I almost felt like if I sit down, these bad boys are going to pop open. So I tested it, and I walked around the house. I did some measurements in the bathroom for Brian because we're getting a new master bathroom. I sat down, I stood up, I squatted, all sorts of things. And it didn't bust, obviously, or I would have told you that first. So I think that it's just meant to be that snug and just pull you in that much. I like them. However, they're almost like so high where they hurt. You know, like to a point like when you sit down, they like cut in so much that it's almost like super uncomfortable. So I guess my question is, do you forego that bit of like uncomfortable part because they fit so well? All right, so these are called, I'll tell you, stand by. These are called the high waist skinny jeans. 20 is the size, and they're $126.75, but I'm gonna check on the app because the price that's on this sheet is typically the price on the tag, but on the app, Trunk Club will mark it down for whatever the sale price is in store. All right, so these are actually on sale. Oh, they're on sale for $126.75. Regular price is $160. And the other pair of jeans that I got from Good American are these like striped, like velvet stripe. I think it's velvet. It could be suede. It says velvet tuxedo striped skinny jeans in a size 20. These are $134.75. These fit the same, super high-waisted. They're that dark blue color. The stripe down the side is really pretty, and it's such good quality. You can tell these are made really well. The skinny part at the ankle is not as skinny as the first pair, and I don't like that. I like it super skinny. Yeah, these fit the exact same way. $134, what did I say? $134.25. I think that's actually the sale price too. Yeah, $134.25. These are regular price $179. I feel the same about these as I do the first pair. I buttoned them. It was fine. When I went to zip it, it was tight. And I thought, am I about to rip these jeans? And then I'm going to have to buy them, and I can't even wear them for that much money. All right, so those are the 2 pair of bottoms that I got. Let's move on to tops. I planned on doing like a shop with me video today, and then I saw that Trunk Club was coming, so I halted my shopping plans just in case I wanted to keep stuff in this box, like keep the jeans really, because they're expensive, and I thought, I'm going to keep the jeans, I don't need to go shopping. All right, so this top is from the brand Rachel Roy. It's in a size 2X, and it is this like one shoulder or off the shoulder black, like distressed looking, I guess. It almost looks like the seams were cut. It does have a little bit of a gather on the side, which I really like. It's meant to be a little bit more fitted. Fun fact, this on the app, actually my stylist Carson was going to send it to me in white. And you have an option to view your trunk before it ships and say, yes, send me this. Oh, that's not really my style. But then you also have the option to get things in a different color if it's available. So this was initially going to come to me in white. And when I saw that it was black, I was like, nope, black all day, every day. All right, so this is just called the off-the-shoulder tee in a size 2X, and it is $49. I really like it as just like an easy throw on top. It's not see-through. Wear it with some jeans or even like some white shorts in the summertime and just wear it like off one shoulder, I think would be really pretty. So I do really like that one too. All right, next thing let's talk about is this green Caslon is the brand. It's a size 2X, and it's long sleeve but ties at the front and the bottom. This fit to a T, and this fabric is so soft. It is thicker, so it's not a thin fabric. You could definitely wear it under a jacket if it's really cold, or if it's like, I would wear this on its own if it was anywhere from like 55 to 65 degrees. Does that help? But I really like it. It fit really well. I think the color is beautiful. Like I said, it's in a size 2X. I'm checking the app versus the paper that they sent me because I want to give you the true price for these things. All right, this is on sale for $29.40. It's called the Fuzzy Tie Front Shirt by the brand Caslon. I really like it. So this will probably be something that I end up keeping. And same deal with Trunk Club, like with the other subscription services. Whatever you keep, that $25 styling fee goes toward that purchase. So I could get that for like less than $5 right now, you know? So I'll probably end up keeping that. All right, next top is from the brand Halogen. It is this beautiful green, like true green color, long sleeve, super thin. It's also super short, which I knew that from looking at it on the app, but it's also a little snug. So I'm not sure if it's for me. Y'all know I don't like things that are super tight, but I thought it was really pretty, and I actually paired it with those high-waisted Good American jeans, the first pair, the ones without that tuxedo stripe, and thought it looked really good, but you could kind of tell that the jeans were real high on me. All right, so this is called the Delta Crewneck Sweater from the brand Halogen, and it's a size 2X, and it is $49. All right, next top. I feel like I keep saying that. All right, next top, but there's a lot of them in here. Is this like light gray with silver like glitter specks in it, cow neck sweater. This is from the brand Caslon in a size 2X. I've realized that the Caslon brand is a little more affordable, and I like that. This is so soft. However, I own probably 2 or 3 sweaters in this style already, but I kind of feel like I need another one because it just fits so good and it's so pretty. And I don't have any, this light gray with like this little bit of a speck like sparkle on it. It's called the Metallic Convertible Neck Sweater. 69 bucks, size 2X. I like it. It fits really well, but I think part of my issue with keeping these like sweaters and stuff is it's not cold for very long here. So it's almost like pretty much January, maybe February is a little cool. And then after that, you're back up in the 60s and 70s. So that's like my issue. I can't really justify spending a lot of money on sweaters, which I've done this year, and I don't know why. But, so keep that in mind when you're telling me in the comment section what I should keep and what I shouldn't keep. But this one, this is from the brand Caslon, also in a size 2X. These types of like striped, like, I don't even know what material this is. These are so in right now. And this was also one that was going to come in a different color. I believe it was just white with black stripes. And then when I went in, I saw that you had the option to do these colors. And so that's what I did. This fits so good. And yes, it's a sweater, but it's not like, it's thick, but it's got little holes in it. So I feel like you could get away with wearing this when it's just kind of cool outside, but not too cold or even not too hot. I think this is really cute. and it looked really cute with the high-waisted jeans, right? So this is called the Stitch Stripe Sweater, 59 bucks, size 2X. Okay, so I like it, but let's talk about this for a second. I like it with the high-waisted jeans. Would I wear it with regular jeans that weren't as super high-waisted as the Good American jeans? I don't know. But it's really pretty. Like, I love this. Like, I could even see myself just wearing this with, like, a pair of sleep shorts just around the house because it's really cute. But for 60 bucks, do I want to just wear it around my house? Do I? I kind of do. Okay, so the final piece of clothing is a dress. This was one also that came in a different color. It's this beautiful, like, what color is it? Let's see if it says the color on here. So they call this the color red. It's the Dentelle Lace Trim Shift Dress, size 2X for $35.40. Yes, that's the sale price. Normal price is $59. This was actually going to come to me in like a sage green color, but I saw this like really bright color and thought it was pretty. I like the distressing look on it. It's too small. It's also a little short for me, in my opinion anyways. This would be cute like to wear over a swimsuit in the summer, but it is a little bit thick. Like, it's actually a dress, but I don't know if I would wear it. Like I said, it's a little bit too snug for me. I even thought, what if you could wear like some leggings? But then I feel like I'm trying to make it work. But for 35 bucks, it's a good quality dress, but I just don't know if it's me. All right, so now we have 3 pair of shoes, but my battery is dying, so stand by. I'm going to change my battery, and then we'll get back to this. I forgot I do have a belt, which is funny because earlier in the week, I was wearing a pair of jeans, and I thought, gosh, I need a belt so bad, and I remembered that this one was coming. It's this beautiful tan color. This is from the brand Treasure and Bond. It's in a size 2X. The color is cognac. And I love this belt buckle. It's like a thicker buckle, but I like it. I feel like it's very flattering. I tried this on with the Good American jeans, and I don't think I gave it a fair shot because those are so high-waisted. It's like the smallest part of my waist. So I had to put this on the furthest so that it was the tightest that it could be. But I think with regular jeans it would fit fine. I don't think that I would need to wear it that tight. But I love this color and everything about it. I don't own any belts right now, which is really strange to me that I don't own a belt, but I guess I just don't wear them. So, all right, so let's see how much this is. $49. It's called the Oval Buckle Leather Belt. So it's leather, 49 bucks. Now let's get into shoes. Like I said, I have 3 pair of these. I really like these. When I first pulled them out, I was like, I don't really know if they're for me. And then I wore them and realized how comfortable they were and how soft. And like, this is not stiff, but it's not like a fabric or something that you think would stretch. You know what I'm saying? This is from the brand BP. So these are called the Sierra Flat. They're in a size 9.5 and they're $49.95. I love these. I would wear the crap out of these for work. But then part of me thinks, I walk in the mud. And like I just ruin my shoes all the time for work. So do I really want to pay that money and have like a pair of cute shoes that I'm just going to ruin? I'm pretty sure that these came in my last box and they were just too small. But they're these super cute black boots with a tan heel on them. These are in a size 10. So last month I got a pair of boots. I'm pretty sure these were the exact boots in a size 9, maybe 9.5, and they were too small. And so I mentioned to Carson, hey, I love those, but they're a little bit too small. So I got these in a 10, and I really, really like them. I don't own any black boots. I probably own 8 or 10 pair of like tan boots, almost similar to this, but I don't have any black ones, and I think that's why I need these, right? They're a size 10. They're called the BP Barris Block Heel Booty, $89.95. They're $90. Tell me what you think about these. Do you like them for 90 bucks pretty much? And the last thing in my box are these Mules from Lucky Brand. They're a gray color with a little bit of silver hardware on them. Lucky Brand always makes the best quality shoes. I love that brand of clothes too, not just shoes. These are in a size 9.5. They are actual leather, but am I going to wear them? I like them. I want to wear them. Like, I want to be that person that wears like skinny jeans with like a cute button up and like a little leather jacket in Mules, but I don't know if it's me. All right, these are $88.95. They're called the Bidimin 2, Bidimin, the number 2 Mule. 9.5, $88.95. I don't know if they're me. I think it was last month or maybe the month before, one trunk club recently, I kept those Steve Madden Mules that had rhinestones all over them because I thought, what are the chances that these will ever come into my possession again in life? I need them. And so I own them, but I've never worn them because I don't really know where to wear them. They're super like glitzy, but they're mules. Like, do you wear them with jeans? All right, so before we wrap up this video, let's recap and talk about what we liked, what we didn't like, what we want to keep. All right, let's talk about keep pile first. Definitely this one. I love it. This will be super cute for work. It's warm. It's dressy enough. You could wear like a nice necklace or a big pair of earrings. Good to go. Love it. It's also on sale for like less than 30 bucks. This one, I just don't know if I can send it back. So I need to know your opinion in the comment section down below. The dog's trying to eat the clothes. Ma'am, we can't afford for you to eat those good American jeans. Okay? You don't make any money. All right, I really like this one, and I don't want to send it back because I like it so much. So let me know your opinion on this because I'm filming this today and it will be posted today. So I need to know what you think. Also, this belt, like I said, I don't own a belt. This one fits perfect. It's great quality. That's also a struggle I find too, is finding belts that fit around my waist and fit me properly, like as a plus size person. Last thing, this black off the shoulder top. I love it. But do I need it? All right, so those are the 4 things. And then the shoes, like the black boots. I think I'm going to have to send back the jeans. I just don't know if I can wear them comfortably. I mean, I guess I could get them in a size larger, but I think that the point is that they suck you in like that. So those will go back. That gray cow neck sweater will go back. The small green like pullover top will go back because I think it's just too small. The Lucky Brand Mules will go back. I want to keep the tan slides, like the tan slip-on flats and those black boots. All right, so let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. I need to know your opinion because I've only got a few days before I need to send all this stuff back. So, and I do read your comments and I look for your feedback. So please do that. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.